Seeing numbers is easy, but knowing what to do with them is the hard part. Most analytic dashboards show artists a lot of data, but very little direction. You see plays, you see streams, but you do not know what's going wrong, what needs fixing, or what to focus on next. That's where most artists get stuck. Fanlinka uses AI-powered analytics to turn performance data into clear insights and actions. Let me give you a quick tour to show you how artists actually use this dashboard. Alright guys, so I would like to take you guys through the analytics tour to show you what it is that you should look at that will give you direction as an artist and just information that will just help you and guide you in your way forward in developing your plans. So with that said, once again, as you know how it works, you just need to go in there, put in your details, sign in, and it is as simple as that. So what will take place now is just to show you the overview of what you will see. First and foremost is active listeners, where if somebody's listening to your song in real time, you will get an update that shows you just how many people are listening to the song. So I think that is a great feature. And then you also get your plays for the day. I don't have anybody playing me. Oh, boo-hoo. And new followers today as well, as you can see over there. I did get a few followers in the past few days, so thank you very much for joining the core fan base, and I will not disappoint you. You see the total revenue right there, still 0% all time. We've had only 40 rand, so there hasn't been a lot of change there. And then the profile views, 270 profile views. That has been increasing steadily. And then you can see the performance trends right there, which is very important that you guys always pay attention to the trends. Okay, the revenue is a bit stagnant, but when it comes to the streams, you can see there's like 58, and there has been a lot of activity on the 3rd of the month, on the 3rd of January, which is great. I had like 25 streams or plays. So that means there was a lot of engagement on that day. And then you can see the following day, 21, and then the following day after that. And in the recent history, I have gotten 2 new fans. Thank you very much to the 2 of you guys. And you can see there, this is a feature, I would say the 30 days and the 90 days. As you can see, the patterns that can show you the trends over a duration of time with regards to the streams. And as you can see with the fan growth over time, and this is over 30 days, that's the patterns right there. And then if you go over 90 days, then you can see a huge change even since back in October 2025 when I got the first 2 fans and before that. And then as you can see over there, the patterns continue. So that is the overview. And then if you go to fan analytics, you can also see in fan analytics that there are 6 people from Johannesburg that are playing a song on my public profile right now, or on the Fanlinka link trees that you can see them playing it in real time. Sticking to the fan analytics dashboard, what we want to share is the AI powered predictions. It has powered you to predict what your performance is. Let's take a look. It generates every single time that you open up. So I'm going to be vulnerable and share my key insights right now. It says, the first line there, the artist is currently experiencing low engagement and retention. Despite some new fan acquisition, the focus should be on improving content engagement and listener retention to capitalize on the new audience. So I feel like that's very key advice. So depending on who you are, you will get different advice. If you're performing more, if your people are engaged, then it's going to give you a more strategic way of meeting your goals. So yeah, the track analytics, they show you the downloads, they show you the plays. Like for instance, if you go to top tracks, then you can see that the best performing track is called A Strategy, which has 27 plays, no downloads yet. and no revenue. I recently just uploaded this, and just the listening behavior as well. So yeah, just to show you which songs are there where people listen throughout the entire song, or which songs are just being getting skipped and cut halfway. So you just are able to see and know which songs are performing the best. This changes how artists operate. You stop guessing, you stop reacting late, and you start making informed decisions early. If you want analytics that tell you what's happening and what to do next, Fanlinka was built for that. Create your free artist profile at fanlinka.com and start using AI-powered insights to grow smarter.